Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing your PC for live wallpapers. Make sure your system is 64-bit Windows 10 or 11 and your GPU drivers are recent. Once done, download a trusted live wallpaper application and run the installer with administrator right so files and services register properly. You should close heavy apps and free 1 to 2 gigabytes of RAM before continuing. This prevents stuttering and ensures the wallpaper runs smoothly in the background. You now configure and apply your chosen live wallpaper. First, browse presets or community content and pick one that matches your screen resolution and style. Using filters for FPS and resolution saves trial and error. Next, adjust performance settings, limit FPS, lower quality if needed, and select which monitor displays the wallpaper on multi-screen setups. Make sure to enable pause on full screen and start with Windows options, so the wallpaper doesn't interfere with games or boot performance. You finish by confirming startup behavior and validating resource use. Open Task Manager to check the live wallpaper process and memory consumption, then reboot to ensure it loads at startup. If you see stuttering or dropped frames, lower FPS and visual quality, or disable heavy effects. Also update GPU drivers and the wallpaper app. If network assets fail to load, run the app as administrator and add firewall exceptions. These steps solve most hiccups and keep your desktop.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.